Hey there, this is Kai from Nova. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to JamOnBread, a decentralized NFT marketplace and aggregator built on Cardano. Stick around to learn more. If you enjoy our content and want to keep up with future updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment, or consider delegating your ADA to Nova. Imagine a marketplace where buying and selling NFTs is as smooth as spreading jam on bread. That's JamOnBread.io, a decentralized NFT marketplace built on the Cardano blockchain. Just like DexHunter, JamOnBread aggregates listings from various sources, ensuring users can find all their NFTs in one place. Its innovative on-chain affiliate program rewards users, creators, and marketplaces, promoting healthy competition and transparency. With features like built-in NFT rarity scores and a single UI/UX, it's a perfect entry point for newcomers and veterans alike. Just as DexHunter has become a go-to for token trading due to its ease of use and flexibility, JamOnBread aims to disrupt the NFT market by ensuring a fair, transparent, and engaging experience for all participants. They have already developed fair smart contracts and a reliable, decentralized trading aggregation with an affiliate program in beta. Next steps include enhancing liquidity sharing and implementing advanced reward systems, with minting and auctions not far on the horizon. The marketplace is constantly improving and evolving to accommodate the needs of its users and the ecosystem. The team behind JamOnBread is a powerhouse of experience and dedication. They bring over a decade of expertise in finance and blockchain, technology and strategic insights, development, and marketing to keep the community engaged. For any questions, their FAQ section is a goldmine, covering everything from fees to wallet setup. You can go straight to the documentation page using the link in the menu. Here you can do a proper deep dive. JamOnBread has a great, ever-expanding collection of blog posts from various authors on the progress of the marketplace, new features, and insights into the current NFT scene. By the way, all new features and announcements released by the team are available here. My favorite would be the on-chain affiliate program. Watch the embedded video to find out more. And if you want to support our channel, please consider using our affiliate link below to trade your NFTs. Now that you know what JamOnBread is, let's cut to the chase and connect your wallet. Before you start trading your first NFTs, I strongly suggest you edit your profile. You can choose a profile picture from your existing NFTs, add an email address for receiving notifications, and other information like your username and bio. As I mentioned before, JamOnBread is an aggregator and a marketplace combined. That means you will find almost all available NFTs currently listed on Cardano, including those on JPEG Store. You can either browse the NFT collections or list all NFTs, where they can be filtered and sorted depending on your preferences. There are many great collections on Cardano, some representing art, others utility, or even both. I'm interested in a particular collection today, the Liquid Finance Aquafarmers. As you can see, the collection page displays all the available information, like the project's socials, collection size, NFT rarities, and much more. When you have found the NFT you were looking for, buying it is as easy as spreading jam on your bread. You can either make the seller an offer or buy it now. JamOnBread displays all the fees related to the trade, including the service fee and the royalties for that project. After you have confirmed the transaction and signed it, it takes from a couple of seconds to a minute for the NFT to arrive in your wallet, depending on the chain load. These are only a few features that were shown in this quick tutorial. And that's it for the video. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide useful, It would be an honor if you subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and consider delegating your ADA to Nova. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.